In today's video, I put together a Christmas present. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick, and this is Dad Light Projects. Today's Christmas, and I'm putting together some presents for my kids. So, let me show you what I have here. This is it's made by Lifetime. It's a complete tetherball system. Got that? Yeah. My kids got this from their Grandpa Z. I'm gonna go show you how to put it together. Now, you might remember a few months ago I did one from the 99-cent store. Well, that one fell apart within a week. It just didn't last, and I really didn't expect it to, but let me go ahead and get to work on this. Alright, let's check this out. It says it has an 8-inch soft play tetherball, 2-inch round steel pole, heavy duty portable base, pump and needle included. Looks like everything's, it's considered a heavy duty construction for high performance play. Looks like everything's included, so let's get to work. Easy. To it, yeah. That's heavy duty. Actually, I'm gonna put it over here. Make too much noise. What do we got here? Oh, that's good size base. And also, you fill it up with water or sand. Perfect. Oh man, the kids are gonna have a hard time playing with this, huh? Nah, just kidding. Looks like that's for that. Alright, the first step we gotta do is I gotta put the poles together. I had to move outside because my garage is just not big enough for how tall it is. So, first thing we do is we take got these poles, put them like this, do it, and you beat them down together. Then you get the third one. It might not be tall enough for here. Wow. Alright, well, I'll do the best. I try to do it underneath my awning and everything to keep the noise down from the wind. But we'll see. Okay. Move this out of the way. Next thing you do, you get the base. And, okay, next step you're gonna do is you're gonna get your base. You're gonna put your pole all the way through it that you just did, that you just stomped together. And get it like that. You're gonna get this part right here, and you gotta make sure that you have the end of the base that has the two holes in it. that. Comes with a 7/16 carriage bolt. I think it's a carriage bolt. Just nut bolt. There. Comes with the nylon nut, lock nut. So that wrenches. And there. Alright, the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna have 2 more super long carriage bolts, a couple more of the nylon locking nuts, and a split collar here. What you're gonna do, put this here, my wrench, this, I'm gonna make sure that's right. You'll line it up. Actually, put these 2 on there. Tricky. Oh, there it is. Grab your wrench, tighten it up. Next part is we have to put together the expanding hole cap. It's pretty simple. It's not too bad. I got the directions right here. I got my scoops in case I need those. And my tweezers. Oh, and my cell phone in case I have to make a call to somebody. I'm just kidding. Let's see. Okay, take your bolt. You got these parts here. And you just gotta follow directions. It's not that hard. That. Put a washer. You put your loop. That. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Then we got this one up here. There. And then just the nut. Nut. You lock them both nuts in, and what you're doing is you're just screwing it to tighten it up, and then it'll expand it. There you go. There you go. It's built. Next thing you do is you'll connect your ball. Take that. Got your clasp here. Alright. Now next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick it up, fill the base up with water, air the ball, and have my kids come out and play. Yes, lots of practice. Do you guys play tetherball in school? We haven't done it in a long time. Alright guys, well, do you like it?
Yeah!
Why don't you say thank you, Grandpa Z?
Thank you, Grandpa Ziggy! Thank you, Grandpa Ziggy!
And there you go. A couple things I didn't show you was also this came with its own little air pump for the ball, which is kind of nice and convenient. And also I filled mine up with the base up with water instead of sand. It said you do either one. I think it's just easier with water, especially when you're emptying it. You know, it's just water. So, with that being said, check out a new video every week. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at DadLikeProjects, or you email me at dadlikeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, why don't you check out these two videos right here? Also hit that subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.